Now, let's discuss tips to be a good, active listener. To hear attentively is known as active listening. This is an important factor in communication. Though it is important in our academic years, it proves to be very helpful while building our career. The tips that we see now will enhance the active listening process, which in turn will help to enhance our image at the workplace as well as in our personal relationships. Give the right reaction at the right place. Understand what the speaker is saying, the subject, what are the emotions behind his words, and then provide a reaction, like saying yes, no as per the need, expressing appreciation or regret as per the occasion. These reactions are important during a communication. Be fully attentive. The speaker is speaking and the listener is playing a game on the phone or chatting. In such a situation, it can be noted that what the speaker is trying to convey to the listener will never reach to that person. This is insulting to the speaker. Make it a point to make the speaker notice your focus. If the listener is sitting like a statue while the speaker is speaking, the speaker will feel that the listener is not paying attention. So, to make the speaker feel that you are listening to what he is saying, intermittently keep showing your feelings and reactions liberally, like maintaining eye contacts, keeping a smiling face, moving back and forth as per need. These actions will assure the speaker that the listener is listening to what he is saying. Never presuppose or form an opinion in a hurry. In the previous video, we saw that there is a difference between listening and active listening. During the active listening process, keep your full attention riveted on the speaker's talks, keeping aside your disagreements if any. Respect all elements and accept his talks as they are, without forming an opinion. This way, you will not be entangled in your own opinion and understand his point without any bias. Ask questions. If you have any doubts with regards to the topic on which the speaker is speaking, ask questions without reservations. Because this convinces the speaker that you are paying attention to his talks. Voice your response. Reacting on how were the speaker's thoughts and talks is also an example indicating that you have been super attentive all through.